Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. And I'm making me some eggs this morning and some toast. I am just so frustrated. You know what? Anybody else, raise your hand, ladies, if you feel like a busted can of biscuits in your clothes. I just get so aggravated, you know. It's like I lost like 20 pounds on that low-carb diet, and I went off of it, and I've gained every bit of it back, plus a few pounds. I'm not playing. I'm just so aggravated. But so what do? I've lost my coffee already. What do we do when we get aggravated because we look and feel like a busted can of biscuits? What do? We eat. So let's make some breakfast. I'm going to fry me a couple eggs here, and I'm going to make me a couple pieces of toast. I like to use I already showed you guys, I think it's called Aunt Millie's or something like that. It's the low carb, or not low carb. Well, actually it is low carb. Listen, I'm busted can of biscuits. I'm talking about low carb here. But anyway, I'm going to get back on that, I promise, right after the holidays. Right after I'm done eating all my pumpkin pie and pecan pie and cake and all that good stuff. Look at that. I don't have any butter. I have been working so much. I have like no groceries in this house. So I gotta fry my oil. I gotta fry my eggs in oil, but it is what it is. Hell, it's gotta be better for you than butter, right? Hopefully they don't stick. We'll see. But today is hump day. I'm excited because I'm gonna stay there. I think my stove's uneven because my eggs run down. Look how pretty they look. My goodness. You see my eggs in there? I don't even know what I was saying. Something about hump day. Busted can of biscuits. You know, all that good stuff. I'm gonna eat, this is my favorite jelly. This is jam, really. It's strawberry. I love strawberry jelly or jam on my wheat toast. I love it. Oh my God, I love it so much. Love it so much. But I'm gonna fry me a couple eggs here, and I got a lot of running to do today. I probably need to go get some stuff from the grocery store, and I think I'm gonna go see my mama. I'm off till Sunday, and I'm so excited about that. Look at my pretty eggs. Look how pretty my eggs are. You see my eggs? Look at that. Look how pretty. I'm gonna get these fried up, and then we're gonna get set and we're gonna have some chit chat time. All right, my eggs are fried. We're back. Would you look at my breakfast? Look down here at my breakfast. Oh, you're cockeyed. I gotta turn you around there. Look at my eggs. Look at my breakfast. Look how pretty my eggs are. There's a lot of things that I have to cook perfect, and eggs are one of them. I gotta have good eggs. My eggs can't be all jacked up. I'm gonna take my glasses off so I can see what I'm eating here. Make sure I'm just eating eggs. Look at all that pepper. Jesus, I didn't put my glasses on before I put pepper on them. But that's all right. And I'm drinking my coffee, and if you haven't tried this, you need to try this. This is the Coffee Mate Cheesecake Factory. I'm gonna tell you what, girls and guys, it'll take you right over the edge if you know what over the top if you know what I'm talking about. It is so good. So good. I really, really like it. But again, today is I got a new kitty. You've seen her though, and she's like, you can't even eat in this place because usually they're all around you just like pawing at you. All the dogs, the cats. You'd think I'd be skinny. I have to share my food with everybody. Today is hump day. And I am off until Sunday. I'm so excited. Let's see what these eggs taste like because I cooked them. I fried them in oil. They taste no different. I got 2 pieces of toast here with my jelly. I didn't go to McDonald's. You know, sometimes when I sit and do a chit chat, I go to McDonald's. Are you guys proud of me? But I want to get out today, get some running done. We're supposed to get snow and ice tonight. Can you believe that already? Which is perfectly fine with me because I don't have to go nowhere tomorrow. I make the best eggs. I've had like a cold or something. I don't know. I haven't been able to breathe. It's been driving me nuts. Wake up in the middle of the night, hack and hack and hack. Ooh, I like my eggs runny. Those eggs are runny. Just the way I like it. Look at that. Gotta get that stringy piece off there. That looks nasty, but you like your eggs like this, or do you like them like cooked, well done? I like to take a bite of my egg. Then my toast. Those are good. But I got a lot of running I want to do today. I get to the store and pick up a few things. So I haven't been to the groceries in forever. We have nothing. I'll show you my refrigerator. Little Bit likes eggs. She's so pretty. That's Mama Baby. Yeah, last night I just threw together for dinner. I was impressed. Oh, what are you doing back there? I fried some steaks. Well, you know, sometimes a fried steak on top of the stove is so much better than any other way you can make it. But this time I just seared it really good on both sides so the juices would be just overflowing inside. And then I stuck them in a very hot temperature oven, like 450 to 500, for about 7 to 8 minutes, and they were so good. I fixed that. I fixed some roasted garlic cauliflower rice for my husband because he's still low carb, and he does so good. I made some deviled eggs. What else did I make? Steak fries. I made something else. I don't remember what else I made. Green beans. I had to do with what I had. That's what I had on hand, so that's what we had for dinner. And it was really good. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and it is the holiday season. I'm so happy. I love holidays. I love Christmas. I love Thanksgiving. And you know what? Thanksgiving is next week. Is it next week? It's next week. So we have got to get busy with our Thanksgiving menu. Did I spill something on me? So you guys don't have to let me know what all you're cooking for Thanksgiving, and I'll tell you what I'm cooking for Thanksgiving. And I sent out a just like a little message on YouTube here. I'm not sure if you guys got it. Let me know below in the comments if you got it, because I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but sometimes I like to send out just little messages instead of just videos. I'm talking too fast. I'm gonna be spitting. It's gonna be embarrassing. But I want to do a live Q&A on meal prepping for the holiday season, for your holiday dinners, and you know, just Q&A about if you have questions about cooking your turkey or your dressing or whatever. I want to do a Q&A on that, and I just kind of wanted to know what time you guys would it be a good time so I could have a lot of people join me. A lot of people work. We have to work, right? But I might try to do that Friday evening or something. I don't know. Or maybe one day early next week. Maybe Wednesday, or because I make the best turkeys in the world. They are so good. They are juicy. Oh, they're so juicy. They're just amazing. I can't wait to have some turkey. I love turkey. Almost as good as I like these eggs. But I thought that would be fun. And that way we could all, you know, share ideas of you know, for our Thanksgiving menu. You know, there's a lot of people on here might want to try something different or whatever. I normally cook the same thing every Thanksgiving. I mean, my Thanksgiving meal is my Thanksgiving meal. But I would like to introduce a little, maybe a little something different this year. Maybe a dessert or another side dish. Because I think I'm going to have a lot of people over. I usually always do. But the more the merrier. I love holidays. I love big family get-togethers. So, that's what I want to do. I want to do a live Q&A. So I'm just kind of wondering what time would be a good time for you guys. So, you know, I've got viewers all around the world, so I don't know what your schedule is, but let me know what would be a good time for you guys. I think around 4-ish Eastern Standard Time. That's me. Thinking about doing a holiday giveaway. Once I get figured out exactly what I'm going to do, more details will follow. I think it'd be a lot of fun. I got a lot of great subscribers, and I'd like to do something special for you for the holiday season. For Christmas, I'd love to send you something good, something fun, and, you know, we all like getting gifts, so. And if you want to send me something, just let me know. I'll give you my P.O. address, you know. I gotta have presents, too. If I'm going to send you something, you're going to send me something. That's how it works. No, I'm just kidding. But I would love to maybe do a giveaway, and that's probably going to happen. I'm thinking that my giveaway date will be, I don't know, maybe around the 15th of December. Give you guys time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But I'll have to figure out what to do to get you qualified for to be in the giveaway. It could be something as simple as in the comments below saying enter me or whatever. I don't know, but I do want to give, because you guys are all so wonderful with your comments. Some of you go a little overboard. I'm just kidding, but I love each and every comment that I read. I love getting my comments, and I try to respond to all of you guys, and I'm usually pretty good at it. But I love you guys. You know I love you guys so very much, and yeah. So I'm going to give you something. We all like presents. I should have fried me another egg. But I'm going to finish my breakfast. I about got choked. Damn, I did get choked. Let me take a drink. Because I'm going to call my mama. I'm going to go to the grocery store. Wait a minute. Damn, I'm about to choke to death here eating an egg. Now it's making my nose run and everything. I gotta wipe my nose. I know you guys have seen people wipe their nose before, so. This is not the same one that I'm using to wipe my nose. See, I promise. Look. This is my mouth, and this is my nose. I think. I hope I didn't get it mixed up. But today, I think for dinner, I am going to cook some. I'm going to make some enchiladas. I want to do something a little Mexican-y. I know it's not Taco Tuesday, but it is for me. It's Taco Wednesday for me. I'm going to do probably some enchiladas. I was thinking about doing maybe like a buffalo chicken enchilada. I thought that sounded amazing. Kind of wanted to surprise the family. They love buffalo chicken, anything. So I'm going to do some regular beef enchiladas. I thought about doing some chicken enchiladas, but I think I might do some buffalo chicken enchiladas. And I would like to do maybe some type of Mexican salad. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's what's on the menu tonight, Mexican for us. So let me know down in the comments below what you're going to be having for dinner. I might want to come to your house. But I'm going to finish my breakfast. And I don't know, I might film later what I'm going to make. I might film that as a recipe. We'll see. But make sure that you're liking all my videos and you're sharing all my videos. I would like to reach 10,000 subscribers. You have to help me do that. I don't know how, but help me do that. I want 10,000 subscribers. I'd like to have 10,000 subscribers by Christmas Day. So help me make that possible. So make sure you are liking all my videos. You are subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you are sharing them, because you know what, I'm just fabulous and you know it. And I really hope you guys are trying my recipes. I mean, they are authentic recipes of mine. And they are absolutely amazing. And if you are trying any of these recipes, because there's not a lot of things in life I can do, but by gosh, I can cook. And if you are trying these recipes, make sure you leave me a comment below of what you have tried and how amazing it was. And, you know, just let me know. I love hearing from you guys. So I'm going to finish eating, like I said 20 minutes ago. My eggs are cold now, they're rubbery. So like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And you know, I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.